Ready? Start. The task of the Minister of Commerce in the preparation of a progressive and development oriented import export policy for 1985 to 86 was perhaps not as easy as it would appear at first sight. Full stop. The fact that some of the elements of import policy had already been cut out for him through the fiscal frame and guidelines provided in the budget for 1985 to 86 did in no way change the stark reality of a negative balance of trade against Pakistan during 1984 to 85. Full stop. While the export performance during 1983 to 84 was bad enough, it showed an increase of only 2% over the previous year, it was much worse during 1984 to 85. Full stop. In the dollar terms, the exports actually declined by 9.4% during the year that has just ended. Full stop. The factors responsible for this were many, including load shedding, adverse terms of trade, slump in the export market, failure of the cotton crop, etc. But the question which began to worry was whether our export sector had become permanently sick. Full stop. In actual terms, the level of increase may have to be counted from 1983 to 84 and thus may only show a rise of around 10% or so, which is good and not overly optimistic. Full stop. Some of the countries trading circles, as their first reactions seem to imply, do not share the minister's optimism. Full stop. Their reservations are based on the prospects of a continuing energy crisis during 1985 to 86, as also shortages in certain agricultural commodities because of inadequate rainfall during the recent sowing season. Full stop. Be that as it may, the Commerce Minister has given a policy which is likely to boost the positive elements in our industrial sector and remove as many hurdles in its way as possible. Full stop. In this connection, two of the key objectives of the import policy may be mentioned. Full stop. First, promotion of industrialization and, second, minimizing of government controls. Full stop. The process of liberalization of imports introduced during 1984 to 85, which may partly have contributed to the adverse balance of trade during the year, has been continued. Full stop. While a liberal import policy does create some balance of payment problems in the short run, it can, if properly managed, give a positive, invigorative push to the export sector. Full stop. That is so because in a large number of cases, exports are dependent on imported raw materials and manufacturing units. Full stop.